Hello, my name is Andy McKenrick. I am the horticulturist at the Cincinnati Art Museum. A horticulturist is a person who studies and cares for plants and finds the best means to grow those plants in different environments. I was always taught the right plant is in the right place. I started in horticulture about 15 years ago. I decided to have a change of career and decided to go back to school for horticulture. And I took a few classes and loved it immediately. Well, this museum probably needs a horticulturist because of the expansive grounds and renovations that are going on. It is a place where I feel people can come and enjoy the outdoors as well as the inside space. Well, horticulture and gardening and the whole green industry kind of works in seasons. Right now we're going into spring, which is one of my favorite seasons. Everything's beginning to grow. An average spring day for me would include some cleaning up of the grounds. I was just getting ready to divide some perennial plants, some daylilies. So as you can see, the juniper trees have grown much further out and they're kind of shading the daylilies. So I'm going to transplant them because they enjoy sun. And right there you have a whole bunch of new plants. So these are some of the daylilies that I already took out. I was planning on transplanting them. I'm going to take them over here. Making things look pretty is one thing that I tell a lot of people that's what I do. It is more than that. It is a science. Like I said before, finding the right plant for the right place and making sure that those plants will thrive over the years and continue to bring aesthetic appeal to the places they're put. Up here, there is a lot of rocky clay soil. I have to use my knowledge and past experience with plants in horticulture to kind of pick what plants might do well in those spots. I have been part of the bee and the hive installation here at the museum. My goal is to create a pollinator garden eventually and continue that and increase the pollinator plants throughout the grounds. I kind of do it all. I mean, from litter pickup to pruning trees. I'm also a certified arborist. One of the reasons I got into horticulture, I knew that I wanted to be outdoors. I've always enjoyed being outdoors, so I was looking for careers in that field. And like I said before, that horticulture I was hooked from the first classes that I was sitting in.